I'm taking a video.
Hey, watch. Just getting some eggs ready. So if you want to do a washing,
Sure.
you're more than welcome. And I'll split this while you're doing that. Fortunately, you guys are too little. That's what'll happen. Then I'll wait till you guys are gone and I take it hard.
Don't worry, they're good. She's in charge of the time.
Oh, good. Okay, so now.
Go see your dad.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty good. Yeah. It's all right.
Yeah. Oh. I brought you some ice yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just here yesterday.
These roots are.
Those, I picked those a couple weeks ago.